Ugh. So I got a gaddy town. It's like those things that, you know, go up in the air, you know? See? It's yellow. My third favorite color! Duh. God, you're so stupid. Alright, let's see if this thing works. I have to bend it back like... Oh God! Oh my God! I didn't even know how I bleed green. Okay, let's see. Throw this. Oh, it won't get off my hand, dude. Dude, screw it up. Ah, ah.